Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This tutorial is created for our hackathon, SC4Kand Hack 2026, hosted by Kids for Kids Toronto Coding Club, and today we are going to learn about APIs. Let's first understand what an API is. Imagine this square represents the client, and this square represents the server. A client is the system or application that needs a service. For example, suppose you develop a website about your hobby, and you also want to display today's weather on your website. Your main goal is not to build a weather forecasting system, but you want to provide weather information as an additional feature for your users. The most efficient way to do this is by requesting weather data from another system that already provides that service. The system providing the service is called the server. Now, the client sends a request to the server asking for a service. The server processes the request and sends the requested data back to the client. The communication between these two systems, the request and the response, is handled through an API, application programming interface. To compare this with a real-world example, imagine you go to a restaurant and order food. You are the client, the kitchen where the food is prepared is the server, and the waiter who takes your order to the kitchen and brings the food back to you is the API. Hope you all are clear about what an API is.